Greetings everyone, welcome back. This is Safrat and Cyprus channel. Today we have the new ACHILLOBATOR. I think I'm pronouncing it right, I'm not sure. It's from Jurassic World Rebirth. Strike attack. Alright, so this one has a feature. It says you push it down. Check it out. Oh, so the mouth opens up and you push the tail down. That's interesting. There you go. It opens up. Okay, so let's check the back. So we already got all of these three. Wave 2 are finally out. I'm quite surprised that the mouth opens when you push it down, because some of their figures, the mouth doesn't open. The head just goes down though, but this one's cool. It opens up. There you go. It kind of reminds me of a Pyroraptor though. It looks like exactly like a Pyroraptor. Like the feathers, the feathers on the head, feathers on the arms, and it also has a talon right there. So let's open it up and compare to a Pyroraptor from Dominion Extreme Damage. I believe this is a Dominion Extreme Damage Pyroraptor. So let's open this box up. Alright, so here we go. Uh-oh. Feet stuck. Oh my gosh, there we go. So there's the DNA scan of this guy. There we go. Nice color. Tail is definitely different. So there's some weird quill on the back. A Pyroraptor doesn't have it. Totally different, I guess. It has a goatee in its chin. Right there. So a really cool feature that the mouth finally opens up when you push the tail down. So brand new species, doesn't have a variant yet. So that means I'm gonna get 2 more of these, do a repaint. So it does look like a raptor. It could be a dromaeosaurid because of the talon as well. Why is it getting darker? Let's see the front of the face. Nice figure. Let's see the tail difference. I think the Hammond Collection Pyroraptor has the same feathered tail as this one. I wish I grabbed it. But yeah, eyes are different. Oh yeah, it's quite the same as a raptor as well. Like a serpent's eye. Nice giant teeth. There. Nice piece. So yeah, that's pretty much it for today. Let's check out. It has scars in the thighs as well, right there. Sidornis skin looks good. So yeah, thanks guys. If you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up. And yeah, don't forget to subscribe. Thank you. Have a good day. Or a good weekend.